Hi everyone. I traced the chili pepper pattern once on the folded fabric. This pattern is free for you on my blog. I'm going to cut this part right here, okay, where I traced it, and it will look like this. I stitched around here, left this part unsewn, and now I just need to cut off the excess. This piece is great for you to sell at fairs. It'll sell really well. Now we turn it right side out. You will use scraps you have at home to make this pepper. It's very easy. I'm going to put in a little stuffing and make little stitches to close it. I'm going to make a doorstop, but I'm sure you'll have other ideas for using this pepper. Wow, it works! You can use the fabric scraps and turn them into something beautiful. And I did, it's lovely. I sewed this on the machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew it by hand too. Everything will work out just fine. Look, you basted it, pulled it, and the pepper is almost ready. I cut a 4 cm by 4 cm square of felt, snip the little points, and the leaf is ready. It's that simple. Snip right here in the middle. I'm going to use sisal, but you can use a ribbon or satin cord. Whatever you want, whatever you think looks best. Prettier, easier. I'll position it here. And the beauty mark. The pepper is ready. I cut the leaves out of felt, just like the pattern. To make the flowers, I cut 5 pieces out of felt using the pattern. Making the flower is really easy. You just have to baste them together like this, see? It's really quick too. I pull the thread like this, together with the first petal. I make a little stitch to finish it off. And the flower is ready. Girls, imagine how many doorstops you can make in a day. That's a lot. It's extra income right at home. Look. Super easy. That's what good crafts should be like. It has to be easy. To make the base, look how easy it is. This leg here is too narrow, so I cut it higher up. I marked 25 centimeters and it will be ready in no time. I'm going to leave this narrower part facing down. I'm going to baste all the way around. Guys, I'm going to use kite string, okay? Any thick thread will work. It has to be a thick thread, so that when we pull it, it doesn't break. I basted it. I pull it really tight here. I add a small stitch to finish. I put a bag inside and filled it with sand. This doorstop is going to be really heavy. I folded it and I'm going to baste all around it. If you're enjoying this video, like it, leave a comment. Share it with that friend who needs to work from home and earn some extra income. She'll thank you. To assemble it, you can do it in the way you think looks best. I used a longer piece of sisal. Now I decide if I want to leave it bigger or smaller. Just cut it now. Then we do this here, look. Assemble it without the hot glue, just so you can get an idea of how it's going to look, so you can see what you think looks best. Then after you visualize it like this, see, more or less, then cut the sisal and start gluing. Look how beautiful our chili pepper doorstop turned out. It's an easy piece to make, has a great finish, and is an excellent option for those who enjoy crafts. If you're looking for a work-from-home idea, earn some extra income, or expand your catalog of handmade pieces, this design is a great choice. Many artisans make pieces like this to sell at fairs, through custom orders, and even online. And the pattern is available for free on my blog. Just click the link I'll leave here in the video description and also pinned in the comments. Just go to the blog, download the pattern, and start making it. And on my blog, you can also find other free patterns and various projects to keep learning and expand your collection of handmade pieces. Tell me here in the comments, are you going to make this beauty for yourself, to sell, or to give as a gift? If you liked this video, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.